Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang post ng isang matapang na vlogger. Grabe, handa siyang ma-cite in contempt, handa siyang makulong, ipakulong ng Quadcom. Basta lang, sabi niya, pag magkaroon siya ng pagkakataon, masampal, matadyakan, masuntok niya ang mga Quadcom members. Binanggit niya Paduano, ako, sino pa? Paduano, ako, Barbers, Fernandez. Grabe! So, sino itong vlogger na ito na handang mamatay nga eh? Basta lang magkaroon siya ng pagkakataon na labanan ang tyranny. Pang-oppress, pang-susupil. Ito, si Mr. John Abenes. Ito yung mga paborito ko. John Abenes, A.B. Hugalbot, Crisette Laureta Chu, ito, Joey Bibre, Sasot, of course, Maharlika. Marami sila na binabantayan ko. Okay, John Abenes posted 10 hours ago. Fighting tyranny. So, basahin ko ha. Many of our active AFP and PNP generals are scared of Marcos Jr. and Martin Romualdez. The former is a pulburon user and the latter is a certified blank. Hindi ko na lang banggitin, masama. You cannot use reason, honor, and dignity to win their favor. The cousins demand total loyalty in exchange of money. One false move from a patriotic police or military officer will result to demotion or loss of juicy position. They also have families to feed. We cannot expect any of the active officers to risk their careers with no assurance. AFP Chief General Browner and PNP Chief General Marbel are both seen as cowards and unworthy of respect. They both choose to forsake their code of ethics and loyalty for the Constitution in exchange of money and power. The likes of General Wilkins Villanueva and Colonel Hector Grijaldo are now seen as heroes among the ranks of the AFP and PNP. Bravery, self-respect, and willingness to die or suffer in the hands of the enemy is among the most treasured values for police and military. Men in uniform love broke warriors more than rich and coward generals. I, for one, is praying. Ito na yung sabi ko, lumabas na yung tapang ni John Abenes. I, for one, is praying that I will be invited by Quadcom and have the opportunity to face the most hated thieves in the country. I dream of seeing myself interrogated by all Quadcom members and will happily tell the truth without fear of getting cited in contempt and be imprisoned. I'd love to see Paduano, Abante, Ako, Fernandez, and Barbers interrogate me. I will use every opportunity to tell them they are ignorant, thieves, and not worthy of my respect. They can imprison me for life, for all I care. All in exchange of that opportunity to tell them personally that they will soon face and suffer the wrath of angry Filipinos. If I can slap, kick, or punch any member of the Quadcom, I will. Because I know in my heart that I am doing my country a favor. Sadly, that won't happen because most Quadcom members are afraid from people with balls. That's the main reason they cannot put down the Dutertes. Still, I will keep trying my luck, I will speak the truth and move forward with no fear. Fighting tyranny is a badge of honor. I will be happy to die in the act of killing thieves, traitors, and those who actively support the current evil administration. You see, if this country have 100 brave Filipinos willing to die for this country, Marcos Jr. and his minions will not last until 2028. Dying for this country is a badge of honor. I'd happily be the first blogger to be killed by Marcos Jr. in the act of trying my best to put him down. Lucky for them, I am poor and I don't have guns. All I have is words of truth to awaken this forsaken nation. And I will keep on speaking the truth until I die or until I see the Marcos administration toppled and erased in the face of the earth. Seeing this country plundered by drug addicts and thieves is humiliating for every Filipino. I'd rather die fighting and protesting than let my being Filipino insulted, disrespected, and robbed on a daily basis. Fighting tyranny is a badge of honor. Wow, grabe. May salute to Mr. June Abenes. Bibihira yung Pilipino na ganitong katapang. And I believe na meron pang June Abenes dyan na naghihintay na on the right time magsalita o gumalaw. Believe ako. Ano kayang mangyari? Bakit hindi siya patawag ng Quadcom? Palagi siyang nagpo-post ng mga ganito sana darating panahon na tawagin siya ng Quadcom at i-interrogate siya at I don't know kung paano niya maisakatuparan yung plano niya na sabi niya, slap, kick, or punch any Quadcom member. At willing siya na mapreso anytime. So this is a challenge sa Quadcom members galing kay Mr. June Abenes. Again, mga kasamahan, kapatid, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong ginagawa natin sa channel na ito. Yung income natin, ginagamit natin pagtulong sa mga mahirap na talandig na tribo ng Bukidnon. Ito, ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga kawawang talandig family na yung mga bahay nila tumutulo na. So, bibilhan natin sila ng yero at pako. With that support, makapagpatayo na sila ng kanilang sariling bahay, makatulog ng mahimbing sa gabi. Panoorin nyo.